What is up guys, welcome back to another vlog. I think you can guess where we are. We're at, of course, the cat cafe. Let's go. They're closed. So we arrived here and it's closed. I think we came a little early, so we're waiting outside just in case it opens, because it's like 9:50 and it opens maybe at 10. Cat. This is the definition of Jack. Cuddly, long fur, fluffy, huggable, and he loves playing. Look at him. He's also very cute. Where's he going? He's investigating the toy. Smile. This is the area by the window. There's a cat here. And Oscar. That's not Oscar, that's Oliver up there. Look at him. So cute. Sleeping. This is the area by the window. Cat area over here. It's like a platform level. There's a lot more platforms over here. And this is the other cat area. It's like a bed on top of a cupboard, and then a bunch of like scratching posts. What's the cat here? This is like a little sleeping area. There's a cat here. There's Winnie. This is like a cat's playing area with a bunch of holes. There's no cats in, but it's very cool. And check out these photos, man. Amelia, Trixie, Molly Rose, Vanilla. This is Vanilla Rivet, Rossi, Winnie, Jack, and Jasper. So we're leaving the cat cafe. I did get my cat badge. This one is Archie. It's a very cute cat. I'll see you guys in another video sometime. Bye.